Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can send cryptos to another wallet from your Coinbase account. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, you'll have to log in into your account, and once you're logged into your Coinbase account, you have to tap on the transfer tab in the top right corner, and as you tap on the transfer button, there is a drop down menu. So from the drop down menu, you have to tap on send. As you tap on send, on the other interface, you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to send, and once you're done selecting it, now you have to enter the amount of cryptos that you want to send. So you have to enter the amount, and once you're done entering the amount, tap on continue. So on this page, you have to enter the information of the recipient. That includes entering mobile number, email address, or a wallet address. So you can enter any one of these following options. And once you're done providing all of the information, tap on preview send, which is right at the bottom. And once again, you have to confirm. So for that, you have to make sure that all of the information provided is correct. And if you're sure about it, tap on confirm. And next you'll be notified that you've successfully sent cryptos to another wallet from Coinbase. So that is how you can send cryptos to another wallet from Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.